WP15 rugged waterproof smartphone that has a crazy battery capacity of 15,600 mAh that can last a really insanely long time as you journey through your day. The packaging of the device looks solid and minimalist. At the back of the packaging, you will find the specs of the device listed clearly if you want to refer to it. Let's go ahead to unbox the WP15 from the product packaging. Inside the box, you will find one Oukitel WP15 smartphone, a wall charging adapter that has fast charging capabilities, a USB-C cable is included for charging purposes along with a user guide and some paperwork to help guide you through the setup procedure of setting the device up. On first impressions, the device looks good. It has a really solid design that is accentuated by the rubber gripping on it along with a sleek aluminum body. There are quite a number of control keys on the corners of the device, one of which can be used for emergency calls, especially useful if you are in an emergency situation. Simply press it to contact a source of help. A USB-C charging port can be found at the bottom of the WP15 rugged waterproof smartphone. It is securely sealed by the waterproof rubber gasket. Once you are done, place it back and the port is protected against water damage. There is a SD card and SIM card slot at the corner of the phone, which is again covered by a waterproof rubber gasket cover to prevent water seepage. You can place your SD card to expand the storage of the device or add a SIM card for connectivity. Before use, remember to charge up the massive 15,600 mAh battery to full. We'll boot up the device to explore its features. On first boot up, follow the on-screen configuration to easily set up the Android device. Once done, you will be led onto the home screen. I feel it looks really neat and tidy on first glance. The user interface looks minimalist and neat. It is running a clean version of Android 11, which is good as there is not much bloatware unlike other devices where there is many other apps that I don't find necessary. About the design of the device, the flashlight has this amazing multi-LED feature with a torch. Now, I will try out the camera lens. It has a main 48MP lens for better clarity. There is lots of shooting modes on the device, like bokeh, macro shots for up-close miniature shots and many other variety of shots like slow motion, night mode, pro mode, and more. Check out some pictures I captured on the WP15 smartphone. They look amazing. Colors are portrayed vividly and night scenes are clear and crispy unlike some other smartphone which may not capture night shots in such good detail. Video streaming is quite good too. Colors stay vibrant and there is no lag in frames captured. This can be attributed to the high-specs cameras on this device. Apps like YouTube, Gmail and more. Now I will try running a graphically intense game on the device to see how it fares. The gameplay feels smooth, no lag so far. Gaming on this smartphone is quite good too. I experienced no lag or hang while running my games on Android 11. With the updated Android OS installed on it, you get access to newer game versions, and have better efficiency while running an updated Android OS. The Oukitel WP15 rugged waterproof smartphone, a really nicely designed rugged smartphone with some pretty top-notch features. The outlook of the device looks really solid and elegant with a carbon fiber design at the back of the device and 3 powerful cameras on the back. It is a perfect blend of rugged and modernity. It is a little thicker than normal smartphones as it has the massive 15,600 mAh battery packed into it, allowing for longer usage time on a single charge. If you would like to know more about the Oukitel WP15, check out the link in description for more information. Thank you for watching.